2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who are these kids to you?
This is my friend.
That's your friend?
Yeah.
How old your friend?
18.
That girl's not 18?
It's not your friend, bud.
That girl's not 18?
Yeah.
No, she's not.
She is.
That girl's not 18. Trust me. She don't look 18.
I'll button my zipper.
Yeah, please button your zipper.
Yeah. I mean, I had to take like a piss and.
Oh, I'm sure.
All the people in the car, who are they?
They're just my friends. I mean.
Do you normally hang out with people who are young? How old are you?
I'm 40.
I'm a police trainer and instructor. I train and instruct law enforcement and military all across the nation on various law enforcement disciplines to include constitutional law, case law, patrol tactics, etc. And I think this example, this video, showcases perfectly why traffic stops matter. And not only why traffic stops matter, but why the Supreme Court has stated that pretextual stops are permissible. So for those of you that don't know, a pretextual stop is defined in constitutional case law in Wren versus USA 1996. In this court case precedence, the United States Supreme Court held and affirmed that pretextual traffic stops do not violate the Fourth Amendment. As long as police officers identify an objective violation of a law, they may lawfully stop a motorist even if their actual intention to use the stop is to investigate a hunch that by itself does not amount to probable cause or reasonable suspicion. So an example of this, I'm going to use the example in this incident below. You have a driver, a motorist, that is making unsignaled lane changes. That is what the traffic stop happened. That was the pretextual traffic stop. So the officer obviously had a hunch that there was something else going on, but he used the objective violation of not using a turn signal to make a lane change in order to stop the motorist. And in this case, he found a pedophile. The passenger, who he stated was 18, was actually a 12-year-old that later told law enforcement that she was pregnant by this individual. So pretextual traffic stops, regardless of what you think of them, regardless of what your opinion of them are, they are constitutionally permissible according to the Supreme Court, again, in Wren versus USA 1996. And you say what you want, but I can say emphatically, without equivocation, that traffic stops do save lives. I'm going to put a link in the description below in this video, and it's going to link to 10 terrorists and serial killers that were found due to a traffic stop.